Artificial intelligence is often presented as a neutral and objective technology designed to improve efficiency and solve complex problems. But behind every AI system, there are hidden layers of influence that most people never see. This raises a critical question. Who is really in control of artificial intelligence? At first glance, it may seem that AI operates independently. Algorithms process data, learn patterns, and make decisions at a speed far beyond human capabilities. However, these systems do not exist in isolation. They are created, trained, and deployed by humans, and every step of this process involves choices. The companies developing AI technologies play a major role in shaping how these systems behave. Large technology corporations invest massive resources into artificial intelligence, giving them access to advanced infrastructure, powerful computing systems, and vast datasets. This concentration of resources creates an imbalance, where a small number of organizations have significant control over the direction of AI development. But control goes beyond ownership. It extends to the design of the algorithms themselves. Every AI system is built with specific objectives in mind. Whether the goal is to maximize user engagement, increase efficiency, or generate profit, these objectives influence how the system makes decisions. This means that AI is not truly neutral. It reflects the priorities and intentions of its creators. Even small design decisions can have large-scale consequences when applied to millions of users. For example, recommendation algorithms decide what content people see online, shaping opinions, behaviors, and even social trends. In this context, control over AI is also a form of influence over information. The content that is promoted, suppressed, or prioritized can affect how people perceive reality. This makes AI not just a technological tool, but a powerful force in shaping society. Understanding this hidden layer of control is essential. It reveals that artificial intelligence is not simply about machines and code, but about power, influence, and decision-making in a digital world. By the way, subscribe to Time to Wake Up for more AI, robotics, and future technology content. Let's get back to the hidden forces controlling AI right now. Another crucial element in the control of artificial intelligence is data. AI systems rely on data to learn, adapt, and improve. Without data, AI cannot function effectively. This makes data one of the most valuable resources in the modern digital economy. Every interaction we have with technology generates data. From browsing the internet to using mobile applications, from online purchases to social media activity, all of these actions contribute to the vast pools of data used to train AI systems. This creates a dynamic where individuals unknowingly participate in the development of artificial intelligence. The organizations that collect and store this data hold significant power. They can determine how data is used, what insights are extracted, and how AI systems evolve. This raises important questions about ownership and control. Who owns the data? The individuals who generate it, or the companies that collect it? Privacy is another major concern. Many people are not fully aware of how their data is being used. AI systems can analyze behavior, predict preferences, and even influence decisions based on collected data. This creates a situation where control over data translates into influence over individuals. Governments also play a role in this ecosystem. Through regulations and policies, they can shape how AI is developed and used. Some countries are investing heavily in artificial intelligence to gain a competitive advantage, while others focus on establishing ethical guidelines and ensuring public safety. This has led to a global race for AI dominance. Nations that lead in artificial intelligence may gain economic, technological, and strategic advantages. As a result, control over AI is not just a matter of technology, but also a geopolitical issue. At the same time, there is growing awareness of the need for responsible AI. Researchers and organizations are working to develop systems that are transparent, fair, and aligned with human values. However, achieving this balance remains a complex challenge. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the question of control becomes even more critical. Future AI systems are expected to become more advanced, more autonomous, and more integrated into everyday life. This raises important concerns about how these systems will be governed. One of the main challenges is the lack of transparency in many AI models. Complex systems, especially those based on deep learning, can be difficult to interpret. Even the engineers who design them may not fully understand how certain decisions are made. This is often referred to as the black box problem. When decisions cannot be easily explained, it becomes harder to ensure accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is responsible? The developers, the company, or the system itself? These questions highlight the complexity of controlling advanced technologies. Another issue is the concentration of power. If only a few organizations control the most advanced AI systems, this could lead to significant imbalances in influence and authority. Such concentration could impact economies, societies, and even global stability. However, there are alternative approaches. Open-source AI initiatives aim to make artificial intelligence more accessible and transparent. By allowing more people to participate in development, these initiatives can help distribute control more evenly. Ultimately, the future of AI control will depend on collective decisions. It is not only a technical issue, but also a social and ethical one. Developers, policymakers, and users all have a role to play in shaping how AI evolves. The question is not just who controls AI today, but who should control it in the future. The answer will define the relationship between humans and machines for generations to come. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform the world, but its impact will depend on how we choose to guide and regulate it. Control is not just about power, it is about responsibility. Thanks for watching Time to Wake Up. The future is just getting started. See you in the next video.